gonna make chicken Alfredo pasta. So let's start. Before we make, let's start with the ingredients. So first, there is 300 gram chicken that is chopped into small pieces, and basil leaves, oregano leaves, and parsley leaves, and white pepper powder, cheese, salt, corn flour, black pepper powder, milk, and 500 gram pasta. We have two types of pasta. There is spring type of pasta and this type of pasta. If you want, you can take any type of pasta. It's compulsory. So we can take any type of pasta. So I think I'm gonna choose this one because I like this one. So I'm choosing this one.
When our pan is ready, let's pour 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. After we pour our sunflower oil, let's put our chicken and mix it well. After we put chicken, now let's put salt to taste. Then mix it well. The salt have to come in every portion of chicken. Now let's add black pepper powder and mix it well. We have to put 2 tablespoons. Now let's add basil leaves, parsley leaves and oregano leaves and mix it well. Now let's fry it in medium flame. Now I take 3 liters of boiled water. To it, let's add salt and now our pasta and stir it well. And we have to cook. Now let's keep our lid and cook it for 10 minutes. While that time our chicken is fried well, after that let's open the lid and mix it well. And let's check if the cooked parts are cooked. And now let's open the lid of pasta. Now let's see if whether it's cooked. After it cooked, now let's keep into a strainer, and that fry pan I am pouring 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. After that, let's add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and mix it well. After that, let's add our corn flour and mix it well. And let's pour our milk. And now let's stir it well. We have to stir it well. Now let's add our milk slowly and mix it well. Now again let's add our oregano leaves, parsley leaves and basil leaves and stir it well. Now let's add our white pepper powder 1 tablespoon and stir it well. Now let's add our chicken to our white sauce and check whether the salt is less. If the salt is less, now then let's put some more salt and stir it well and check if again we have to check it. Now let's add some cheese to it. Now let's put cheese, but I'm taking cheddar cheese. You can choose mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese, but 100 grams. After we put our cheese, let's stir it well. And I'm showing you the cheese. And now let's stir it well. Our white sauce is ready. Now let's add our cooked pasta into the white sauce and stir it well. We have to stir it nicely. Now let's serve the Alfredo pasta into a serving plate. Now we are ready to eat.
So now our Alfredo Alfredo pasta is served. This is like nice and creamy texture. It's very easy to make. Everyone have to make it. So bye.